Alright y'all, welcome back. We're doing another DoorDash video today on the Z125. If you have any interest in this and doing it on a motorcycle, I highly suggest you do. I've said it in just about all my videos. I've done probably 3 or 4 other DoorDash videos on the motorcycle, but really all you need is a good phone mount and a good delivery backpack. So I'll link the backpack or one like the backpack that I use in the description below for y'all. And also, I did just switch over to the quad lock mount from the, I was using the RAM mount for a little bit, but everyone was kind of telling me so it messed up some of their cameras, so I got a little scared. And I went over to the quad lock with the vibration dampener just to be safe, because I just got a brand new phone like a week or 2 ago, and it was expensive, so I don't want to mess up the camera on it. So I'm using the quad lock now. It's a little more pricey than the RAM mount. It's like $100 with the vibration dampener, but all in all, that includes the case, the phone case that it comes with, and everything like that. So if it's a good mount and it saves my camera, I'll be happy with it. But if you guys are interested in looking into that, I do have like a little referral code for that to get 10% off for y'all. So I'll put that in the description for you guys, because I've heard good things about it. So we'll see. I mean, there is a lot of vibration going on with a small CC little motorcycle. Like if it was like a 600 or an 800, it'd be a little smoother power. But there is a lot of vibration going on with a 125cc motorcycle and any type of small bore motorcycle, like 250 or 300cc and under. So we'll see. Hopefully it holds up good. But it is already 7:48 right now, as y'all can see. So we're kind of just heading over, making the few mile trip to get where we need to be to start door dashing. And it's going to be a shorter video. I may compile it with some from another day, or I may just see what we can do tonight. But I know there's a peak pay for $3, I believe. $3 peak pay, which means they add on $3 to your order. A regular order would just be your base pay and your tip. But with the peak pays, you get your base pay, your tip, plus whatever it is. In this case, it's a $3 base pay, which is about as high as I've seen it. So we're missing 1 bar. We probably have about 50 miles on this tank, so I don't think I'm even gonna bother filling it up after this. You guys saw last time we dashed, made like 80 something bucks and used like $3 of gas, so you already know it's not a lot of gas we're using. But yeah, I'm gonna turn it on here in a second and see what kind of order we can get. All right, y'all, we got our first order. It's like maybe 9-10 minutes. I was not gonna lie, I was getting a little discouraged there for a second when orders don't just like automatically start popping up. I'm like, oh, what's wrong? But we got it eventually. This was on UberEats. I opened that one up too because I was getting a little scared. But yep, pickup was less than a quarter mile away, so we're gonna get that. All right, we got that order. It was a nice easy pickup. Everything was ready. Walked in, grabbed it, left. So that's a good start in terms of pickups, because y'all, if you've seen my videos before on the DoorDashes, you know I don't really like waiting. I can get impatient quick. But yeah, we got about 6 miles to go, so gonna enjoy the cruise and get this delivered. I think I already mentioned it, but it's about $11 for 6 miles, so not too bad. Ooh, this is a nice neighborhood. Should be getting that $20 tip. Nah, but the one thing I didn't look at was where we were ending up and where we were delivering to for this order. I ride back on these roads a ton with the Z and the Grom and the KLX. But it's not exactly where I'd want to end up for a delivery, because I got a little bit of a ride back. This is a little more rural area. So I got a little bit of a ride back to get back to the more populated area where the order should be, but it's not too bad. I think it's like 2.5-3 miles, so it shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, these are some nice houses. I've never been in this neighborhood. All right, let's get going. First delivery completed. And yeah, DoorDash will give you like your total, what you made and everything, like the whole breakdown right away, basically after you make the delivery. But UberEats, I guess they give them like an hour or something else to like complete. You can change the tip and do whatever, which I think is a little weird, because that'd be pretty messed up if you're given an order that said it was this amount based off that tip they gave, and then they just automatically take it away once they get their food. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I'm gonna get back into the good areas, and I'll let you all know when I get the next order. All right, y'all, we just accepted a little order from little Boston Market right across the street here, and it said it was 4.5 miles total, so not too bad, but it was $6.50, so I mean, nothing special, but they can always surprise you in DoorDash, where they do that little thing where it's the total was higher than the shown amount. So that's always a nice surprise when that happens, but it's right before, it's like 8:21 right now, so it's right before the $3 peak pay, but at least we'll get a little order in, and then that peak pay will start, so that'll be nice. All right, another quick little easy pickup, boom. And this bag is from Postmates right here, which Postmates was, I believe, bought out by Uber, and I guess they're not really a thing anymore. So I found the closest thing, which has like the dividers in there and everything, and linked that on Amazon for y'all. Whew, I need new rear brake pads on this thing, man. I think I'm going right. Made it to our next little destination. It's starting to get a little dark out here. From what I've seen though, the GoPro does all right in low light situations. Like, definitely not too bad. Oh, hey, you have a good one, man. Scared me. All right, 8:34. Let's start making the most of that peak pay now. See what we can do. Ooh, $7.50, so $1 more. Not too bad, not too bad. God, I'm still trying to get this down. There we go. Come on, we need an order to pop up. I'm trying to get rolling. I'm gonna have to turn Uber on if nothing comes on. I don't want to do that. I want to get the extra $3 per order. Choo! Let's pop a wheelie for these kids. Alright, y'all, well, I had to turn Uber back on because, I mean, I didn't really get any orders from DoorDash, so they want to make it look like they're getting their little $3 peak pay and being all cool, but didn't want to give me any orders. So we did a $7.50 order. I think it was like a little less than 3 miles, it said, so we're getting on that right now, I guess. Alright, y'all, so we just picked up that order right there, and it's about 3 miles away, but first I got an order for McDonald's, which is right here, so I'm gonna go scoop up this order from McDonald's, and hopefully they're not in totally opposite directions. We're about to find out today, so kind of just chancing it. We are going to see, though. The thing is, I think the McDonald's said the whole order total was a mile, 1.3 miles for the total, and we were like a half mile, so it should be close here, so should work out. Boom, getting used to it. All right, we got the order, and since it's so close, come on, first gear, neutral. Since it's so close, we're gonna deliver the McDonald's first real quick because it's less than a mile. We'll be able to knock it out real quick, and then we're gonna go deliver that other one, which is like 3 miles away. Lightning McQueen over here is going to get it done. Got that McDonald's ordered quick, and now we're rushing over. Let's see how much this was with the $3 peak pay. Probably, let's see, $5.50, $0 tip. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. No bueno. Alright, anyway, off to order the cava or whatever the heck that other stuff was. Some pita sandwich. Shoot. My chain fell off. I knew it was loose too, and I can't tighten this chain anymore. So I really need a new chain. Slap that thing back on for now, though. Are we good? Alright, we're good for now. We're good for now. I do need a new chain. Alright, well, I didn't even get to catch that one on video, but I just delivered that second set of food. He kind of just, as soon as I pulled up, he was like walking down the driveway. Hopefully he wasn't waiting. I think I was pretty quick, honestly. So I just got another Uber one, but it's now like 9:07. Ooh, $14 for 5 miles for Taco Bell. Alright, I'm sorry, DoorDash, but Uber is coming in with the good orders right now. Let's go. All right, am I going the right way? I'm wearing clear goggles right now, but it's still like, I can't see great. It's not good. Nope, I think I went the wrong way. So I'm gonna turn around here. Oh, of course we got a DoorDash now, but let's focus on what we're doing. Sorry, DoorDash, I'm gonna have to put you on pause. Oh, no. We were doing so well. Taco Bell, lobby closed due to staff shortages. And they got this line. Let's see how long this takes. Whatever, it's a $14 order. I mean, I guess I'll wait in line for that, but 9:10, let's see how long this takes. All right, 9:42, 9:43, over 30 minutes later. Taco Bell, lobby closed, says staff shortage, blah, blah. They might as well freaking close at that rate, but yeah, that was ridiculous. I mean, this is a $15 order, so I was kind of chilling for a little bit of it, but by the end of it, I was like, they were taking like 3, 4, 5 minutes per customer. I'm like, God, dude, how are you so... I get being short staffed, but y'all might as well close down with all that. All right, well, let's go deliver this. This is probably gonna be the last order of the night. I wanted to just go till 9:30, and I didn't even get up. I got one peak pay order, and it had a no tip, so I don't know. I think we did all right tonight, but for going, we'll have had 2 hours on the dashing and Ubering, so we'll see. All right, y'all, it's the next day, and we're gonna total up our orders and just show y'all what we made. So I think it was a pretty good time for 2 hours of dashing, well, Uber and dashing, but we did pretty good, and I'll show you guys why here in a second. So here from Uber, we made a total of $44.42, $11.82 in net fares, $32.60 in tips for the $44.42 total. And I think it's kind of blurry, but I was just trying not to show where they live and the road and everything, but I got $26.14. Now that was from that first order that we did going out when I was saying we're kind of going out into a more rural area, and then we went into that nice neighborhood, and I was like, dang, I should get a little more tip, even though it was already a good tip. Well, it did end up being a good tip. We got $23.10 just in a tip from that order, and then I guess it was like $3 for the net fare, which those net fares should be a little bit more, but that pretty much made our day worth it. The Taco Bell, looking back at that Taco Bell order, I know for sure it was $14 and something cents when I ordered it, and it turned into a $10.78 order, so a $4.50 tip, and I think like a $6 net fare. So that person lowered their tip because that total delivery took like 45 minutes, which totally not my fault. Maybe I should have called them and let them know. I don't know, but a little bit ridiculous, but getting that huge tip kind of made up for it. So we made $44.42 off of Uber, and then another $13 off of DoorDash, which DoorDash was just okay. It wasn't that great. I was honestly expecting it to be a little bit better. So that totals out to $57.42 for those 2 hours of dashing. So that's pretty good. That's just under $30 an hour, and I mean, yeah, we probably used about $2 to $3 in gas, so $27.50 an hour. I mean, that's pretty good for a little dashing session. So definitely be sure to subscribe. I'm going to try to get to more of these, and I'm going to do them for longer sets of time so we can try to make a little bit more money. That was just some extra time I had yesterday, so we went out and did that. But be sure to subscribe. Be sure to check out the Get Upside, my referral link. Start saving some money on gas for yourself. Also, if you want the quad lock, check out my little referral link, and all the other links and stuff for like my delivery backpack and everything is going to be in the description. So thank you guys for watching. I should have another one of these delivery videos coming real soon, so be sure to subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.